Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this stunning Tesla Model S, customized in a bold and unmistakable MAGA-Red. Right from the first glance, this car demands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic curves and glossy paint that shines under any light. The black alloy wheels add a sporty contrast, while the sharp LED headlights give it that signature Tesla futuristic appeal. Whether on city streets or highways, this car is built to turn heads. Moving to the back, the elegance continues. The Model S boasts a clean, streamlined rear design, featuring Tesla's signature LED taillights and a subtle yet aggressive rear spoiler. The Tesla emblem sits proudly at the center, while the smooth, sculpted rear bumper enhances the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. And with its all-electric powertrain, you won't hear a roar, but you'll definitely feel the thrill when this car takes off. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure luxury. The interior of this Model S is nothing short of breathtaking, featuring a custom MAGA-Red leather finish with black stitching. The massive central touchscreen dominates the minimalist dashboard, providing seamless access to Tesla's cutting-edge technology. The digital display behind the steering wheel ensures that all the critical driving information is right at your fingertips. With a panoramic glass roof allowing natural light to flood the cabin and premium carbon fiber accents adding a sporty edge, this is where innovation meets comfort. And now, let's talk about who's interested in this beauty, and none other than former President Donald Trump himself. Known for his love of luxury, power, and American innovation, Trump has expressed admiration for Tesla's success under Elon Musk. Despite his past skepticism about electric vehicles, he has reportedly taken an interest in this high-performance Tesla Model S, proving that even the biggest names in politics can be won over by the future of automotive excellence. Could this be his next ride? Only time will tell. So there you have it, the Tesla Model S in MAGA-Red, a vehicle that blends cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and high performance into one electrifying package. Whether you're a fan of Tesla, a supporter of Trump, or just someone who appreciates a truly remarkable car, this Model S is a showstopper from every angle.